What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Unit 9 channel.
Breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you need.
Today you join us putting a scrap motor on a rotisserie.
Well, we've had to fucking build the rotisserie, haven't we?
No.
What do you mean? It's for a Mark 1 Escort.
Not anymore. Whoa! Fucking hell. Right, down a little bit. Yeah. Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Way up!
Get out from underneath there now.
I'm not underneath it.
Something's gone. What's gone? Can you see what went?
It might have just where it come off the jack and the wood, to be fair.
Huh?
I had it on a jack and a bit of wood. It really doesn't look very stable, I will admit. Does it?
No. That enough?
Just rock it again? Yeah, that's better.
Wind them in and lift this and tilt it back so it sits like that and then bring it away from yourself.
What about? Uneasy.
That's gone to the bottom.
I don't know if it has though.
Yeah, it's gone to the bottom.
Oh no, that's it there, isn't it?
No, that's the big one.
That's the other one. You ready?
No, I need to check if that's gone all the way through.
Obviously it is. You can't see a drill bit, can you?
Still there.
What's still there?
The drill bit.
There must be through then, David.
To the bottom now.
Oh, good, go through.
Yeah, but it's tight.
Huh?
Tight.
Good. It's only quite soon you've got.
Because if you all do the front, all the weight's on the fucking back, innit?
It got on all the way through. Just that hammer there. Just give that bolt a tap.
Yeah?
Yeah. This pisses me off.
What?
Someone's pigeon shit welded this. Look. Look. So now I've got to go all the way back to fucking... Look, it's just... What? Why?
No,
Why would you do that? It literally looks like someone's been throwing fucking birdseed everywhere and the pigeons have been nibbling at it.
Kian, she's on her side.
It off.
She's probably going to fall off.
Taking them off the leg, they ain't welded yet, so.
Kian's very upset. Then you bud. Because you found more shit welding.
Yeah, man. I was expecting it, so...
Yeah.
Could do with going over a little bit more, really.
Nice fine where it is. Boy, we think I've got a fucking draft neck, you twat. I'm 5'9", not 6'10". Yeah, have it. Another grand gone.
Prick, ain't he?
Hey, look.
Can't believe that
Give that
bit.
to your mum. Look. Say, look, here's my car. I don't believe it. Look at that. Plenty of Hunstanton Beach. Walking load of old shite. Don't you break that off there?
Oh, that's so tempting.
No, because it makes it look worse.
Do that again. I found it! Now we can fix your car. That sounded very bassy, didn't it? Boof, boof, boof.
No, we just take it back out to sea.
Dream big, achieve big.
Oh, that's my saying, you bitch.
The only dream he does is a wet one.
At least I can fucking play on my cock.
Ouch.
You can't see yours, can you?
No, but you just have it. Biggest thing you've had in your head.
As you can see, car's up on the rotisserie. Kev's just gone straight away and started welding again. Kian's up there sulking because he's poked too many holes through the car already. I'm taking pictures. So we really need to get the underneath stripped, and then we can start grinding it. All back to bare metal.
Fucking right, one fucking trouble.
Welcome back. It's the morning after the night before. As you can see, the car went on rotisserie last night. Kian's still stabbing holes everywhere inside the car. So plan is today, strip everything underneath the car. Noisy bastard.
That's definitely dead.
Oh, and he blew up his drill yesterday. Fucking, I can't talk today. There's still fuel in them pipes.
I know.
Great. So yeah, we're gonna strip everything underneath, take all the brake lines, fuel lines, handbrake cable, all that shit off, and then start tackling the underneath. I don't know if you can hear this, but that sounds like it's full of filler as well. So,
Bosh.
and it's always good when your floor pan doesn't actually meet the sill. So that's another job. Oh. Right, let's get cracking. Look at this fantastic stuffage.
You wouldn't believe this car wasn't a road.
No, you wouldn't, would you? But yeah, got a good
6
idea.
months ago?
Why don't we cable tie the fuel lines to other fuel lines and just hash it up.
Oh, is that on there?
Using a grinder to cut through fuel pipes, is that a wise idea though? Oi! You wouldn't believe it, that just fell from up there.
I'm going to cut this off in a minute.
You won't do it. You did it! That's your starter motor. I found found it. Yeah, we can fix your
car. Ow. Get out. Get out. I've me swamp your wheat.
Yeah, she's got fuel in her.
Already?
2 seconds.
Seriously?
2 fucking seconds. You wouldn't believe it, would you? It's alright, our health and safety team have already been in and checked and said that this is okay. King of the castle.
Huh?
King of the castle. Don't do that, you'll scratch the paintwork.
Oh, wait, look at this, look. It's got a glimpse of white, so I put the thing on it, and yeah, it's all filler.
I won't be too surprised. It's the same as the Titanic. It's a fucking boat. All holes in it a little.
It's alright, that bit's getting cut out anyway.
Yeah. Tubbed.
Like everything else. Cut it off.
Well, I found some good bits of metal, Kev.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mate, is that shiny metal?
It is shiny metal.
So does this look. Until you get to there.
It's as crusty as your arsehole.
Is that meant to be bent like that? No.
If you ever get bored, you could put Willie in there.
I wouldn't.
What?
Belly be in the way. It's nice thinking it's that long, but it's not quite that long.
What will you tell everyone else?
Anyway, no good standing there drinking.
We
coffee.
starve at home because of you.
I'm doing you a favour. Why don't you just go and buy a three-wheeler, an old pig, because it's just as much filler in that and it is this.
No point in buying a pig, it means I'll have 2 of them.
That wasn't very nice, was it?
Not really.
Built for cuddling, ain't you?
Built for zone.
He's been welding his trough up this morning.
I've told you. While I'm eating everything, everybody's getting slimmer.
Logic.
It's logic. Work the treat.
Make that rotisserie giveaway now.
It's like when I had my 5 flapjacks, your mum goes, "Oh, you're not helping me out." I said, I am helping you out, because I'm eating it and you ain't. See? She goes, well, you're not doing me no favours, because you always sit there eating a bar of chocolate. Yeah, I'm eating it, you ain't.
Kev's logic.
It is, yeah. I'll eat it. You fucker starve.
Right, we better crack on.
Yeah.
I'm
hungry.
For you left. Cheers, mate.
I'm fucking
well.
hungry.
At tow bar.
Look, I'm hungry.
Hey, what are you doing?
How many fucking new heads and new handles has that broom had?
It's still the same one. About years, 20 odd years.
14 new heads and 3 new handles.
Yeah, exactly.
So as you see yesterday, we went and picked up a rotisserie. That was actually for a Mark 1 Escort. No, Mark 2 Escort. And that's custom made, didn't we?
Yeah.
To fit the 13. Mate, if that falls off now, I'm
I'm
gonna
going to beat you with this brush.
It's not very sturdy, is it?
Oh, yeah, I still haven't finished welding it yet.
And then, yeah, today was our first day with it on the rotisserie, and we've probably ground 50% of it all back to bare metal. As you can see, nice shiny metal, no rusty shite.
Depends where you're looking.
Yeah. Full of shit welds and patches and stuff. But you're a happy man, aren't you? Because it's actually progressing.
I'm glad it's all right, it is for you.
Yeah. So, but yeah.
I was expecting to find more rot, to be fair, but
No, she's pretty clean, to be
not
fair.
that bad.
Don't find no more.
It's not actually that bad.
I know. Don't find no more what? I'm going to beat you with a brush. It ain't too bad, it's all wide, isn't it? It's just wankers what can't weld.
Yeah, no.
Oh yeah, I'm going to stick a bit of weld on there, but I'm going to fill it with a filler.
Yeah, it is for the filler. That is
Yeah.
the other thing, isn't it? Isn't there? Is that the
Yeah,
patch
I think-
there? Why
yeah.
would you?
Well, he's welded that size and put a filler with that size.
And the jack.
Oh, you know what that's for, don't you?
What?
You hit it with a hammer and replace your seal real quick. When you put the jack through it.
What was it? Bits inside that were JB welded as well? Was it?
Yeah, well, yeah, whole floor. Whole pissing floor with magic metal. I think who owned it was Magic Mike. Who owned that? Magic Mike. Yeah. Slap a little slap, boom, make a little groovy.
So yeah, that's it for today and this episode. Next weekend, need to go get a bottle of gas
Bottle of gas and some milk row.
and some milk. Why?
What?
So you can see your penis again.
Well, it's a good thought actually. That's good, isn't that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I can put a light bulb in there with my knob so I can see it.
We see him next weekend walking through the door. Like, watch out, boys. I got a lob on.
I'll end up stabbing it in the side.
You'll go to work next week and they'll be like, how'd you crash your lorry? Well, I got stuck in the steering wheel, didn't I?
Does anyway.
I do that anyway with my belly. What do you reckon keep wearing in front of you?
So yeah, join us next week. We'll probably be doing more grinding, won't we?
Yes.
Yeah, I should do a bit more welding on this and I should take the, see if we can get that off next week as well.
Oh, the bed of the van.
Yeah, it's nearly all done, nearly unbolted. But it's how you press the trigger or something, isn't it?
Yeah, so you press the trigger,
The
yeah.
bolts come undone or something.
They press the trigger.
Yeah, you press the trigger.
Not with the drill though, because the drill's dead now.
So you press the
I've
trigger.
left my drill with you lot for like 2 weeks and you've burnt it out already.
Yeah, but we ain't got that, we ain't got that trigger out of work yet.
Yeah, but the thing is, it still works, just smokes.
It's cheap and nasty what we bought, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think you bought a dodgy one,
Oh,
mate.
we bought a cheap one.
It's off the market, isn't it?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Right.
Like your fucking body warmer.
Yeah, you probably bought this off the market. Right, join us back next week. Tuesday will be the next episode, won't
Shit, man.
Day after Monday.
it? Day after Monday.
The day
Adios.
before Wednesday.
Bye.